Welcome to episode number 33. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today is a day that we celebrate Staff Appreciation Day. Before we get started, I just need to say that we have the most amazing staff. Thank you for all that you do. You are greatly appreciated. Today's guest is Miss Lachelle. Miss Lachelle is our choir and drama director here at Hope Academy.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Hello, Miss Lachelle. Thanks for joining us today.
Hey, Mr. Z. Thanks for having me.
I was wondering, what do you enjoy most about directing choirs and directing the drama productions?
Well, I love to sing, and so I love directing because I love to sing, and I love hearing the kids sing, and I love seeing kids get into character in the drama productions.
Singing in front of others can be a really scary thing. How do you help students get over that fear?
Well, I tell them to remember that they're singing for an audience of one, and I tell them to pick a spot out above everybody's head to focus on while they sing.
I think a lot of people are wondering how classes look differently online, especially in choir. Can you tell us a little bit about what choir class looks like online?
Yeah, it consists of me recording a lot of videos and sending them online, and then the kids recording themselves singing and sending it back to me.
And I've heard you and your daughter Gianna have been working on some magic tricks. Do you think that she would want to show us one today?
Yeah, I think she'd love that.
Hi, my name is Diana, and today I'm going to be doing a magic trick. Here I have 6 coins. Some of them are quarters and some of them are washing card coins, and here are the 6 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to be making some of them disappear. 1, 2, 3. And there are only 3 coins on the plates. Now, I hope you like that, and bye. Have a great one.
You are well on your way to becoming a magician. Thank you, Gianna and Miss Lachelle, for joining us on the show today.
What are you doing today? Up and her?
Is it recording?
Yep.
I've got some more road sign jokes for you today. Again, these are from Vince Romariak from Colorado, and this is from the Indian Hills Community Center Facebook page. Due to the quarantine, I'll only be doing inside jokes. The 3 symptoms of laziness. Number 1. Coming soon, Star Wars 12, Luke needs a walker. And what do you call a hippie's wife? Mrs. Hippie. Yesterday's riddle was, what gets bigger the more you take away? A hole. Today's riddle is, what can you catch but not throw? Let's see what Mr. Quiggle is up to today.
It's quarantine with Quiggle.
Tasty.
Today's word of encouragement is from one of our seniors, Becca Hobus.
Hope seniors, they're all really nice. Hope seniors, gonna give you advice. Hope seniors, what they say should suffice. Hope seniors, seniors.
Hi guys, my advice to all high school students and incoming high school students, first and foremost, really important, is just appreciate your teachers and don't take them for granted, because at Hope we're very lucky to have teachers that care about us and really want us to do our best, and they keep us accountable. So I know sometimes you get upset or frustrated with your teachers, but just really respect them and be thankful for them, because they're some of the greatest people and greatest mentors you can have in your life at this time. And then something that I think people really forget to mention when giving advice to other high school students is just, I wasted a lot of time not being myself and just trying to get others to like me, but I think something really important is just to take this time to have fun and be who you are and do what you want to do, and don't waste time doing things to make other people happy, because in the end you won't be happy and you won't know who you are or what you want. And you should take this time to find out who you are and just to enjoy the things you like and have fun.
Thank you, Becca. Have a wonderful day, everyone.